How much does Mercury Insurance go up after an accident? The cost of your Mercury Insurance premium can increase after an accident, especially if you are found to be at fault. The exact increase will depend on several factors, including the severity of the accident, your driving history, and your policy details. Here's an overview of how much your premium may go up after an accident. First, at-fault accidents. If you are at fault for an accident, Mercury Insurance typically raises your premium by 20% to 40%. The increase will vary depending on the severity of the accident, the amount of damage caused, and whether there are injuries involved. For example, more serious accidents or accidents involving bodily injury could result in a larger premium increase. Second, not at fault accidents. If the accident was not your fault, your premium increase may be smaller, though it can still go up. In some cases, if the other driver is uninsured or underinsured, Mercury may raise your premium because they may need to pay out your claim. The premium increase in these cases is usually less than if you were at fault. Third, frequency of claims. The number of accidents or claims you have in a short period can also affect your premium. If you have multiple accidents in a few years, Mercury may raise your rates more significantly. A history of frequent claims signals a higher risk to the insurer, which can lead to higher premiums. Fourth, state regulations. In some states, there are regulations that limit how much an insurance company can raise your premium after an accident. These laws vary from state to state, so the increase you experience may depend on where you live. 5. Accident forgiveness. Mercury Insurance may offer accident forgiveness in certain situations, especially if you have been a loyal customer with a clean driving record. This means that your first at-fault accident may not result in a premium increase, but this is not always guaranteed. It's important to check with Mercury to see if you are eligible for accident forgiveness. 6. Discounts and premium adjustments. If your premium increases due to an accident, you may still be able to reduce your rates through discounts, such as safe driver discounts or multi-policy discounts. Maintaining a clean record after an accident can also help prevent future increases. After an accident, Mercury Insurance typically raises your premium by around 20% to 40% if you are at fault. If the accident is not your fault, the increase may be lower, but it is still possible. For drivers concerned about rate increases, it's a good idea to discuss options like accident forgiveness and available discounts with Mercury Insurance. To get the most competitive quote on insurance in your area, simply click on the link in the description below.